Ever wondered how AWS keeps your server certificates organized? Well, say hello to the List-Server-Certificates command. It's like an inventory check, but for security credentials, giving you metadata on each certificate. Whether you're an automation enthusiast or just trying to keep things tidy, this command has got your back. Think of it as your personal assistant for compliance checks, minus the coffee breaks. I'm Amelia James, a technology expert with 13+ years of experience designing and delivering human resource management systems that actually work for people. I specialize in building scalable integrated HR platforms that streamline processes, enhance employee experience, and give leadership real-time, actionable insights. Let's talk IAM server certificates, essentially the gatekeepers of secure communication. They're the ones ensuring your HTTPS connections remain encrypted and trustworthy. AWS IAM takes care of storing and managing them, like a vault for digital security. If you've ever wondered what keeps your data safe while it zips around the cloud, well, now you know. These certificates are the unsung heroes. Why do we need this command? Simply put, organization and security. It lets administrators track certificates and their usage while displaying helpful metadata. You wouldn't want to misplace your house keys, right? Same goes for security credentials. Tracking them ensures compliance and keeps your AWS environment running smoothly. Plus, it's always nice to know your security certificates haven't gone on vacation. Syntax time. The AWS IAM List-Server-Certificates command is your key to organized certificate management. You can filter with Path Prefix or tailor your output using query. Think of these parameters as your search filters, making life easier and preventing you from sifting through endless certificate details. Imagine shopping online but with fewer distractions and impulse buys. Ever wished command line output looked prettier? Well, the output flag is your magic wand. It lets us format data in JSON, table, or plain text, making life easier when handling complex data. Whether you want structured output for scripting or clear tables for better readability, this option gets the job done. And let's be honest, staring at a cluttered terminal isn't anyone's idea of fun. Nothing disrupts workflow like output that insists on pausing after every few lines, right? The no paginate option ensures we see everything at once. No need to keep hitting enter. This is a lifesaver for automation and scripting, since we don't want bots getting stuck waiting for human input. Consider it the skip the small talk feature for your terminal. If you're using AWS, integrating the CLI with AWS SDKs is like giving yourself a superpower. It lets your programs talk directly to AWS services, making automation smoother than ever. Whether you're coding in Python, Java, or another language, SDKs simplify cloud interactions. Think of it as your backstage pass to AWS, skipping the hassle of manual configurations. Security isn't just a buzzword, it's the backbone of trust in cloud computing. IAM Server Certificate Management helps encrypt communications, ensuring data stays safe from prying eyes. Upload, list, delete, and manage certificates effortlessly. Remember, strong security isn't an option, it's a necessity. Unless you want cyber threats treating your data like an all-you-can-eat buffet. Security is like hygiene, ignore it, and things get messy fast. IAM roles, credential rotations, audits, and least privilege policies help maintain a robust defense. Think of these practices like locking your doors and windows, because in the digital world, cyber threats don't knock, they barge right in. AWS CLI isn't just a fancy tool, it's a game changer for cloud automation. Whether you need to manage resources, retrieve structured data, or optimize operations, it streamlines tasks like a personal assistant. If AWS were a superhero, CLI would be its trusty utility belt. Troubleshooting AWS CLI issues is like detective work. Check syntax, verify permissions, and use debug to uncover hidden clues. If things aren't working, network connectivity and outdated CLI versions might be culprits. Just remember, patience and a solid debugging strategy save headaches. We've covered a lot, but here's the takeaway. AWS CLI is a powerhouse for cloud management. Use it wisely, automate when possible, and follow security best practices. And hey, remember to update your configurations, because outdated settings are like expired food in the fridge. Nobody wants that. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us.